Hello student, this is Palla Darbari, your host, and you're watching Palla Darbari classes. In this video, we will discuss Indian Economic Development, Class 12th, Rural Development. Now let us see the importance of the credit rural development. The first is it promotes commercialization of farming. When I say commercialization of farming, what it means? It means doing the farming for sale, to earn money. The farmers are basically doing cultivation for self-subsistence basis. Why they are doing it for self-subsistence basis? Because they don't have the sufficient money by which they can purchase the yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers. So they have to be satisfied with the minimum production. But because of the credit facilities, the farmers will be in the position to do the farming for the market to earn money. The next is, because of the credit, what will happen? It helps in financing farming inputs. Because of proper credit facilities, the farmer will be in the position to purchase fertilizers, pesticides, yielding variety of seeds, so that they will be in the position to enjoy or give better cultivations. Next is keep farmers out of the vicious circle of poverty. Most of the time we have seen that the farmers has to borrow the money or take the loan from money lenders for the personal purposes, not for the productive purpose. But because of the credit facilities, it becomes easy for the farmers to take personal loans. Since the farmers will be in the position to take the personal loan from the banks, so they don't have to go to the money lenders and their life will not become hell. The next is, because of rural credit, what will happen? It will protect the farmers against natural calamities, earthquakes, drought, famine. So we have seen the importance of the rural development. Let us discuss all these importance in detail. The first one is promote commercialization of farming. The influx of the funds help the rural farmers to upgrade their productivity and thereby commercialize their farming. When I say commercialize the farming, it means doing the farming for commercial purpose, for earning money. Easy and cheap availability of the rural credit enables the farmers to invest in modern techniques of farming, like purchasing tractors, using machines to do cultivations. What will happen? It will help them in generating surplus for the market. Consequently, as a result of which, their income will be increased. Next is help financial farming inputs. A long gestation period exists between sowing of seeds and the harvesting of crops. It means what? It means the time lag between the investment, that is sowing of seeds, and the receipt, that is harvesting, is very long. It means investment, when they invest the money and they get the money back, is a long. Farmer, because of this, often fails to finance the initial requirements such as seed, fertilizers and tools, because they don't have the money. They are not left with money. So they are totally unable to invest money for the purchase of seed, fertilizers and tools. Because of which, what happens? It means they have to be satisfied with the low productivity. Credit will play a crucial role. It will play a very important role. How? To meet out the initial requirement of farming inputs. Because of the credit, it becomes very easy for the farmers to purchase inputs like seeds, manures, fertilizers, so that they will be in the position to do better farming and the productivity will be increased. The next is keep farmers out of the vicious circle of poverty. Credit save farmers from the vicious circle of poverty. The farmers need funds. Why they need funds? They need funds for the general and the specific needs. For example, for personal purposes also they need loan. For the marriage they need loans. So for these purposes they have to rely more on the money lenders. And once they have taken the loan from the money lender, their whole life becomes a hell. So because of the credit facilities, it becomes easy for the farmers, or the farmers will be protected from the evil hands of the money lenders. The next is protect farmers against natural calamities and dynamic market environment. Indian agriculture has always been at the mercy of the vagaries of climate. It means all the time the farmers have to be on the mercy of the climate. If the climate is good, they will become very happy, and if the climate is not favorable, then their whole life will become the hell. So they have to be on the mercy of the climate. Farmers are the worst hit in the event of the poor rain and crop failures, because whatever the money the farmers have, they have invested it, so they are left with nothing. And if the climate is supportive and they got a good return, then definitely their investment will be multiplied. And if the climate is not supportive, then whatever the money they have invested, it will go in vain. Because of this, the farmers are the worst hit in the event of poor rain and crop failure. This pushes them into, because of crop failure, what happens? It pushes them into debt traps. It means they have to take the money from the money lenders, and once they have taken the loan from the money lenders, the whole life they have to spend in paying the debt only. That's all I have in this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Dear subscribers, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the new video, you get the notification.